Locked out of your Bybit account? No sweat, let's get you back in with a password reset in under 2 minutes. First, head over to the Bybit website, that's bybit.com, on your computer or mobile browser. Next, click on the login button. Now, look for the forgot password link just below the password field and give it a click. You'll be prompted to enter either your registered email address or phone number. Select your preferred method. Go ahead and carefully type in your registered email. Double check it for any typos. Hit the Get Verification Code button. Bybit will send a code to your email. Hop over to your email inbox. You should receive a verification code from Bybit almost instantly. Check your spam folder if you don't see it. Copy that verification code. Now, paste the verification code into the verification code field on the Bybit password reset page. Enter your new desired password in both the new password and confirm new password fields. Make sure they match and meet Bybit's password requirements, usually a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you're happy with your new password, click the confirm button. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Bybit account password. You can now log in with your new password. Happy trading!